per hour in spots across the Wallops region. So we will be continuing to see this wind advisory through at least the early afternoon hours, and then those winds will become calm as we go into tonight. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, there you see that large low pressure area that's been bringing snow to the northeast, and then high pressure trying to build in across the southeast, and we're kind of caught between that pressure gradient, and that's giving us those gusty winds. That northwesterly flow has allowed some drier air to move in as well, and which is also contributing to our mostly sunny skies out there and our little bit of breezier winds. We will be seeing that high pressure build in a little closer to the area, helping to bring those winds down tonight, and then we're really going to see those winds become light and variable late tonight, but we will be seeing a cloud cover increase as well, so not really going to be ideal for radiational cooling to see a very chilly morning tomorrow. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds, seeing those northwesterly winds pretty much from the surface all the way up through 25,000 feet this morning. Winds are increased to 27 knots at 1,000 feet, then up to around 45 knots at 6,000 feet, where they're pretty much maintaining that speed until we get to the 25,000 foot level, where they are at 65 knots. Seeing a freezing level this morning at 2,000 feet. Taking a brief look at our satellite this morning, we have seen those clouds really clear out across the entire mid-Atlantic. We're still seeing some cloudiness offshore, though, with that colder air streaming over those warmer waters. And we're going to see those mostly sunny skies continue throughout the day today, and then it does look like towards sunset we are going to start to see this large area of mid to upper level cloudiness move in across the mid-Atlantic, and then seeing mostly cloudy skies return this evening, perhaps even overcast at times after midnight tonight. So taking a look at our forecast for today, it's going to be chilly once again, only expecting that high to get up to 46 degrees. Northwesterly winds are going to continue around 15 to 20 knots, gusting to close to 30 knots throughout the morning hours here and possibly into the early afternoon hours. And then by mid-afternoon at the latest, they'll start to finally die down, becoming westerly only around 5 to 10 knots near sunset, then a light and variable overnight. We are going to be seeing that low temperature around 35 degrees tomorrow, as we're going to see some more abundant cloudiness, so not going to be as cold as it would get if we were going to see some mostly clear skies. So looking at our terminal forecast for today, we're going to just be seeing a few clouds at around 3,000 feet and a few at 25,000 feet once we get into the lunchtime hours and early afternoon. And then as we get towards sunset, we'll start to see those mid and upper level clouds increase, becoming scattered at 16,000, broken at 25,000 by about 8 p.m. And then by about midnight, seeing broken at 12,000, broken at 18,000, and the overcast cirrus deck with just some few to scattered 3,500 foot cloudiness as well, possibly broken at that level once we get to the pre-dawn hours of Wednesday. Then by sunrise Wednesday, just seeing a few clouds at 1,500 feet, scattered at 3,000, broken at 10,000, and broken at 20,000. Still seeing those tides a little high along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning at 1 foot above normal. So let's take a look at our long-range model here to see how our weather pattern will be developing over the next few days. Here's this morning, seeing that pressure gradient bringing those gustier winds here, and then as we go towards this afternoon, we get a little bit of some ridging develop across the area into tonight, which will help to make those winds fairly light and variable as we go into tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to be seeing looks like a little bit of a dry cold front move across the area more in the afternoon and into the evening for Wednesday. That's going to not really give us a high chance of any precipitation. Can't rule out a slight chance of a shower tomorrow late afternoon into late Wednesday evening, but that's looking unlikely at this time. Looks like it's just going to bring us some chillier air once again as we move into Thursday, and also helping to uptick our cloudiness, giving us mostly cloudy skies. And then as we move into Friday, going to get some high pressure once again building across the southeast, giving us some westerly flow. That'll help to bump temperatures up a few degrees back into the lower 50s for our Friday. And then as we go into the weekend, we are going to be seeing those drier conditions continue. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, going to be seeing those partly cloudy skies continue today, becoming mostly cloudy tomorrow as we get that little bit of a short wave moving north of the area. Still going to be chilly tomorrow, only expecting a high of 49. Those winds are going to be a little bit more west-southwesterly, so that's why it's going to be a couple degrees warmer than today, I think. And then seeing just that very slight chance of a sprinkle as we go Wednesday evening into late Wednesday night. Thursday going to be chilly once again as we have a little bit of a colder air mass back into the area and the partly cloudy skies with a high of 47. Then Friday, that high pressure will build across the southeast, giving us a little bit of some southwesterly flow. We are going to see an uptick in cloudiness, however, but expect those temperatures to rise back into the lower 50s for Friday. Then it looks like Saturday we're going to get a cold air mass briefly into the area with some light winds and clear skies. That'll help drop those temperatures below freezing across the region for Saturday morning, and then only seeing those temperatures near 40 degrees for a high on Saturday and a partly cloudy sky. So going to be chilly on Saturday. Then Sunday we're going to see that southwesterly flow start to return, bumping those temperatures up back into the 50s. As we move into early next week, we are going to be seeing a front kind of stall out across the mid-Atlantic, and it does look like it's going to have a decent amount of moisture to work with, so expect some widespread shower activity throughout the day on Monday, and that could persist into Tuesday and maybe even Wednesday too, as it doesn't look like this front, the models don't really have this front going anywhere real quick on Monday, but we are going to be seeing that southwesterly flow with that front on Monday, so that is going to give us a much more milder air mass than we have been seeing. Expect those temperatures back up closer to 60 degrees to start our work week next week. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back at 8:15 a.m. tomorrow and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.